Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the app Tiimo via tiimoapp.com to see if it's the real deal for ADHD and neurodivergent planning, or just overhyped. Tiimo is a visual daily planner built for people with ADHD, autism, or anyone who struggles with executive functioning. The app features a color-coded timeline, icons, focus timers, and even AI-generated checklists to break big tasks into manageable steps. Many users report that the visual style really helps by turning an overwhelming schedule into something easier to understand. On the legitimacy side, the domain is from 2018, uses HTTPS, and sits at a low-risk trust score of 64.2 out of 100 by one validator. The app has strong App Store ratings, 4.5 stars, and recognition, e.g., finalist in Apple Design Awards. However, some users say there are bugs, especially on Apple Watch. Subscription cost is high, and the free version is limited. Tiimo is legitimate and genuinely helpful for many, but it's not perfect, and you should try the free version first to see if it fits your brain style before committing. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. Want more reviews like this? Let me know which app you'd like me to dig into next.